What's up, everybody? This is Jake from the Tesla channel. Got Zach going to get the drone right now. We got a new box from EVBase. Let's get it unboxed. All right, everybody, a little bit of a different video today. We have the Model 3 Highlander 2024 Stealth Gray. We get some wheel covers for it. So we're gonna go ahead and get this unboxed for you. Kind of see how it looks in the Model 3. Let's go. We took a little sneak preview at it. We got a little note from EVBase here. Cool. Got some tape too. Looks like some circles for the wheel caps. And this is what they look like. We got the silver this time. I believe we have a box of black coming in as well. Matte black. They look pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks sick.
We actually have the standard rim on there right now. And it should fit on there. It's nice and perfect. So EVBase gave us a little hack in there as well that we weren't aware of. We're gonna open this up. This is gonna be a little bit of a surprise too. We have a big center cap for it. Oh, okay, it's black Tesla center caps. I don't know how it's gonna look on the gray, but it could be pretty cool. All right, next we're gonna show you how to get these installed. Super simple, pretty much snap in, and we're good to go. Super simple install here. It's pretty much as simple as lining it up with your air cap here and just snapping it in. So super simple, just give it a little press in the middle. And then it pops all the way around the side. It does sound a little harsh, but it's actually not too bad. We take our Tesla cap, and now that we get the little red piece out, super simple. I suggest doing it this way, so you get them all mounted the same way. You can just do it vertically like that. And that's one rim down. All right, guys, so we got the rims installed. We're gonna take it for a quick drive, kind of show you how it looks when it's actually moving. Shout out to EVBase for setting these. They look amazing, super clean. It adds basically a whole nother look to the car. And it's as simple as snapping it on, kind of like the aero caps. So shout out to EVBase. Use the code TheTeslaChannel for 20% off on your orders. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Peace.